Hello and welcome back to Tutoring with Gavin. In this series of videos, I'll be showing you how to get a great grade in the GCSE English Language and Literature exams, which both require you to understand literary devices and how to use them effectively and imaginatively. In this video, I'll show you how to improve your grade by using and understanding the effects of allusion. This is an indirect or passing reference to a book, play, movie, historical event, or even just a common saying or proverb. For the allusion to work on the reader or audience, it is important that it's something they are already familiar with. Don't confuse this literary device with the word illusion, which is a false idea or belief or a deceptive appearance or impression. Allusion can serve as a noun or a verb. If you allude to something, this means that you are suggesting or implying something by referencing something well known. For example, if someone calls you a Scrooge, you know that this is a way of alluding to your behaviour or personality, which could be compared with that of the character of Scrooge in A Christmas Carol. It basically means you're tight-fisted. Another example is in The Simpsons, when Sideshow Bob says, "Ah, Krusty, this is your Waterloo." This is an allusion to the Battle of Waterloo, where Napoleon Bonaparte suffered a devastating defeat from which he could never recover. Sideshow Bob suggests that he is about to take down Krusty, just as Napoleon was defeated at Waterloo. Many skilled writers use this technique. For example, William Shakespeare uses it in Macbeth, when the drunken porter hears knocking at the castle gates. He says, "Here's a farmer that hanged himself. Oh, come in, equivocator." This is a reference to the Jesuit Henry Garnet, also known as the Farmer, who, in his trial for his part in the Gunpowder Plot with Guy Fawkes, defended the practice of equivocation. The trial was in the same year that Macbeth was written and would have been familiar to audiences at the time. By alluding to Garnet, Shakespeare is suggesting that a traitor is close by, which is, of course, referring to Macbeth or his wife. This is one of the more sophisticated literary devices you can write about in your literature exam, and so it will be rewarded handsomely by any examiner. Make a list of allusions used in the text you are studying and memorize them so that you can show off in the exam and get the great grade you're aiming for. Hope this video has been useful in your revision. Please subscribe to the channel for regular updates on any other video tutorials and give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Until next time.